Hi there, Sabrina Risley here from Behind the Moon, and Happy New Year. Today I wanted to chat with you about our 5-minute form of education titled Goal Getting Made Easy. You will find the full article in the notes section on our Facebook fan page. You want to search on Facebook for Behind the Moon Inc. and also on our website, behindthemooninc.com. But it's that time of year where people are setting resolutions, they're making goals, and some say goals are made to be broken. I say you have to have goals in order to move your business along. So you have to be able to identify your goals in order to meet your goals. So just a couple of things to keep in mind to better ensure that you reach your goals. And the first thing would be, I suggest starting with the end in mind. What is your vision and where do you see yourself? So if you can picture that and be very specific, you can set your goals according to that. Also, studies show that people who write their goals down have a higher success rate of meeting them. So it shows intention. So write your goals down. Also, I suggest finding an accountability partner. More important than writing your goals down can be finding a person who can help you remember the goals that you shared with them. So someone to help keep you and hold you accountable to your goals. Also, identify milestones and relating action items and assign dates to them in order to get to the end result of your goal. And then revisit your goals for relevancy. Let's say you're 6 months down the road. Don't be afraid to change your goals, delete your goals, add new goals. If they are no longer applicable to your business, make adjustments. So make sure it's still relevant to your big picture of your business. And then reward yourself. I suggest thinking big. Pick something big, something that you really want, that if you meet your goal, by whatever the timeline is that you assign, you will reward yourself with something big. So determine that in advance and make sure you do follow through and reward yourself. So just a few things to keep in mind, but also remember you are the one responsible for meeting your goals. Do know in advance that you will run into obstacles and challenges, but you can overcome them by your actions and by your thinking and determination. So Sabrina Risley signing off from Behind the Moon. I look forward to meeting you one day soon. Until then, grow your business by helping others grow theirs.